Hi friends, welcome back to my channel English with Tej. Let's make learning English simple and fun together. So let's discuss about how to become fluent in English. Before going ahead, I want to request you guys, please like, share, subscribe my channel because I bluntly need a subscriber. So I'm going to discuss in this video how I became fluent in English, how I'm able to communicate with you. So what are the steps you need to follow that so that you can get fluency. So if you are studying right now in 8th, 10th or in your graduation, then this video is for you. So guys, I'm going to tell you the tips which you need to follow every day. What is the first tips for you guys? So you need to start listening English from today onwards. So you have to start watching small stories in English. You have to search on YouTube stories in English. So there are many stories available in simple English and they are very interesting. You will not feel bored while watching them. If you are a beginner and you are not able to understand properly, what is the first tip for you? You can turn on the subtitles so that you can read whatever the person in talking in the video so that you can understand. And even after that you are not able to understand, then what you need to do, you need to make the video speed slow, make it 50% half, make the 0.5x speed, then watch it. Then I'm sure you will be able to understand. Okay, so this is the start you need to do from today onwards. Start listening English. Okay, so then what you can do next, if you like any actor, any politician, they all have given their speeches in English. So you can download their speeches or you can watch live on YouTube. So if you are working, if you are eating food or if you are traveling, so you can use earphone and you can start listening then. So you need to listen any video at least 3 times. It will help you to understand the English better so that you can understand each and every words and you will be able to pronounce exactly how they are saying the word in the video. That's the reason I'm asking you to watch a single video at least 3 times. Okay, this is a basic tips for you. If you're not doing this, trust me guys, you will be never able to speak English. Okay, so do this from today onwards, and I have done it. That's the reason I'm telling you, I'm sharing this tips for you. And here is my next tip for you guys. The second tips for you guys, you need to start speaking English from today onwards. How you will speak, even if you are not a fluent, you don't need to speak big speeches. You have to start speaking small phrases like I'm eating food, how are you, what are you doing, I'm going to the market, I'm studying, I read in class 6th, like this. Small sentences. If there is nobody to speak with you, then you can use your phone camera. Nowadays the phone has become your one of the trusted friend. So use your phone camera, turn on front camera and start talking with yourself. Okay, and record it as well, so that you can watch it later after 1 month. You will see that the changes, the first day you recorded and how you are not able to speak English, but after 1 month there is a lot of improvement. You are able to speak little sentences. Okay, you are able to express yourself. So this is going to happen if you are going to do this consistently. So consistency is very important in English learning journey. If you're not consistent, bro, believe me, you can't speak English if you're not consistent. If you want to speak English fluently, confidently, and you want to get an a fluency achievement, so definitely consistency is going to be a key role in your journey. And here is the next tips for you guys. We all know that we have heard we should read newspaper, but we most of the time ignore or we don't like it because it's a very boring job. But guys, whatever is boring that really helps you. Okay, like we don't like study, which is good for us. We don't like medicine, which is good for us. So whatever things good for you, mostly you're not going to like it. But you need to understand, guys, you need to start reading newspaper every day, half an hour. What will be the benefit after reading the newspaper? First, you will get a great habit of reading a newspaper. You will be updated what is happening surrounding you, what is happening in the country and in the world. So this is a great benefit. And here, apart from this, you will achieve fluency. You will be able to speak the word. What happens when you have not spoken English much? When you read or speak, your jaws are not trained to speak or to bring out the sound correctly. So if you're reading newspaper every day, it will help you to pronounce the word correctly. Apart from that, you will enrich your vocabulary. Whatever vocabulary or words you don't know in the newspaper, you can use your phone and find out the meaning and just write it down immediately in your notebook and try to repeat or revise them every 15 days. Your vocabulary will increase, guys. This is going to be a great help for you. So don't ignore this reading newspaper. Do it every day. From today, buy Times of India or Indian Express. Simple papers. Don't go for the Hindu as of now, because the Hindu has a very advanced vocabulary and sentence framing and all. So in the beginning, you need to go for Times of India, and they are cheaper as well. You can get it in just 4 and 5 rupees. Indian Express, my choice is Indian Express. I like to read Indian Express. The first tips is you need to start listening English. Second one is you need to start speaking English from day one. And third one is you need to read newspaper. And apart from that, if you like a web series, English movies, if you have a Netflix subscription, or if you don't have, then there are a lot of movies or web series are available on YouTube as well, because we all like to watch web series, movies. Okay, so without any feeling boring or something like that. But in this case, you can take an advantage. You need to watch movie whatever you like for at least half an hour to 1 hour. You can choose a web series. If you have a membership, Netflix, Amazon Prime, it's well and good. Not use Instagram or use YouTube. These are free platforms where you can watch videos, web series, movies. Lot of movies are available free of cost. Watch here and improve your English. So this is my tips for the day, and you guys have to follow if you want to become fluent in English. So guys, please like, share, subscribe this video if you're still watching. I need subscriber, bluntly need subscriber, because I want to grow, and so that I can bring for you best content free of cost. So thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll meet soon in the next video. By the time, bye bye, take care.